Hello everyone, my name's Tyler, and today we're going to be talking about biomolecules, proteins, in our cell and molecular biology section. So here's our lesson overview for the video. First, we're going to talk about amino acids. Next, we're going to talk about the 4 levels of protein structure. And lastly, we're going to talk about enzymes and their kinetics. First, let's talk about amino acids. Proteins are one of the most abundant molecules in nature and have an incredible range of functions. So they make up parts of our blood serum, helping to pull fluid back into our vasculature. They serve as antibodies to recognize foreign proteins or bacteria. They have a huge role of functions in our body, and they're very important. And that function is based upon the actual structure of that protein. So again, like I said, the shape of the protein affects its function. Here we have a drug transporter here, which has to embed in the cell membrane. We have collagen, which are like thick cables running through our tissue